In the landscape of video conferencing and digital communication, the rise of Zoom video communications stands out as a narrative of strategic innovation, user-focused design, and an uncanny ability to capitalize on the shifting tides of technology and human behavior. Zoom's journey from a startup to the video chat application of choice, overtaking the once dominant Skype, provides a blueprint for understanding how technology companies can achieve remarkable growth and industry leadership. This episode delves into the factors that propelled Zoom ahead of Skype and the dynamics that have reshaped the terrain of digital communication tools. Background: the early days of Skype and the entry of Zoom Skype, launched in 2003, was one of the first applications to offer voice and video calls over the internet. It revolutionized the way people communicated, reducing the need for expensive long-distance calls and introducing the world to the possibilities of video conferencing. For years, Skype was synonymous with online calls, boasting a vast user base and becoming a verb in its own right. To Skype, someone meant to video call them. Then came Zoom, founded by Eric Yuan in 2011. Unlike Skype, which was initially designed for consumer use, Zoom targeted the business market with a focus on reliability and high-quality video conferencing. From its inception, Zoom was built to be a scalable video-first communication platform, distinguishing it from Skype, which had its roots in voice communication. Design and user experience: the winning-edge Zoom's interface was streamlined and intuitive. It minimized the clicks required to start or join a meeting, a deliberate design choice that reduced user friction. In contrast, Skype's interface was often criticized for being cluttered and less intuitive, particularly after various redesigns that seemed to prioritize form over function. Zoom also introduced innovative features like a virtual background, touch-up appearance, and reactions. These user-friendly options weren't just for fun. They improved the user experience by making video conferencing more accessible and engaging. Performance and reliability: the bedrock of Zoom's success. One of the most significant factors in Zoom's ascendancy was its unwavering commitment to providing a reliable and high-quality service. Even at lower internet bandwidths, Zoom managed to maintain a consistent video and audio quality, whereas Skype's call quality was often unpredictable and dependent on both parties' internet speeds. Zoom's architecture was designed to handle a large number of participants smoothly, which made it an attractive option for businesses and educational institutions. This was a game-changer during the COVID-19 pandemic, when organizations worldwide suddenly needed a reliable platform to host virtual meetings and classes. Market focus and positioning: zooming into the business world. While Skype made early inroads into the consumer market, it struggled to pivot effectively to the business sector. Microsoft's acquisition of Skype in 2011 led to a push towards integration with its other products like Office 365, but this shift was slow and often met with resistance from users who were accustomed to Skype's original offering. Zoom, conversely, honed in on the business market from the start. It understood the needs of businesses and institutions for efficient and scalable communication tools and capitalized on this by providing features like large meeting capacities, webinar functionalities, and integration with other business tools. Adaptability and scalability: the agile approach Zoom demonstrated remarkable agility in adapting to users' needs. As more features were requested, Zoom was quick to respond, integrating with calendars, supporting large-scale webinars, and offering robust security features like end-to-end encryption, which became a critical concern for many users. On the other hand, Skype was slower to innovate. Its updates and new features often lagged behind users' demands, and when new features were introduced, they sometimes disrupted the workflow of existing users, leading to frustration and a decline in user satisfaction. Branding and marketing. The clear messaging of Zoom's marketing strategy also played a crucial role in its rise. Its brand became associated with professionalism and efficiency. The name itself, Zoom, conveys speed and ease, resonating with businesses that wanted to convey a modern, efficient image. In contrast, Skype's branding became somewhat muddled post-Microsoft acquisition, with the product often lost among Microsoft's suite of offerings. While Skype for Business was an attempt to rebrand and refocus on the corporate world, it struggled to shed the image of a consumer-focused product. The financial model underpinning Zoom's services also contributed to its widespread adoption. Zoom smartly employed a freemium model, offering a robust free version of its platform that met